Hello everyone, welcome back to Ed's Metalworks. We got a little project today I thought I'd bring you along on, so I'll show you what we got going over here. Over at my couple little lathes here, I got this, it's just a shelf off old typewriter table. I had two of these. I've used one of them. I'll show you where the other one's at, but anyway, on this lathe, there ain't a whole lot of space to set stuff down like your measuring tools and that, unless you set it down there underneath the bed and sometimes in the oil and slop that's down there. But so I thought I'd make me a little cart that'll hold this tabletop level with the lathe bed here, and also hold my trash can underneath there. This tabletop thing, it's foldable, but they work out as a pretty nice little shelf. I'll show you where I used the other one. I mounted years ago. I mounted a belt sander on the main stand for this typewriter table, but it's long gone. Anyway, I'll go over here and show you where I used the other one. Here's the other one on this side of this toolbox. So they make a nice shelf. So no sense throwing away. Might as well go ahead and use it. I'll show you what I got laid out here on the table. Here's my base. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this circle is the bottom of that trash can, and then it's all 1-inch square tubing. I got a length of square tubing here. I've had it since 2019. It's like money in the bank, but probably better than money in the bank. But anyway, then here's the stand. The tabletop will be at this level here. And we'll make the leg, we'll make it about 3 foot tall. We'll have a little bit of like a 3-inch back shelf on the tabletop. So, and then we're going to put a couple of these wheels. I got 2 more of these wheels. I'm going to use them here down the corner so we can wheel it around. And then we'll put a leg out here on the end of it. Hope you guys can see some of that. But anyway, a couple 15-inch pieces. 1, 2, 3 at the top, and some 12-inch pieces, 2 12-inch pieces, and 2 36-inch pieces. Alrighty, we'll get set up and get them cut. Alrighty, we got our pieces cut. Kind of see how everything's gonna come together here. Got that one piece for the top, but we'll lay it all out on our bench here, and well, first we'll have to deburr and clean all these ends so we can get them ready for some welding, and you bring you back when the welding starts. Alrighty guys, we got all our pieces cut. We're going to plug the end of a couple of these pipes that will be exposed so that it looks like a finished product. We got the tops of these 2 rails here, and then the one this cross rail on the bottom where it'll be exposed. So it just gives it the finishing touch. The way I do it different every time, but I got some little 3/4 inch plugs I'll tack in there, hammer down flush, and finish weld it. So get you set up, we'll get that going here. We'll finish that off before we weld everything together. Yeah, we'll get one more done here. Bring you back when we get her set up, ready to tack it together. Alrighty, now we got one leg clamped up, ready to tack together. I'll get you set up here. We'll tack it together, and then we'll lay the other one on top of there to make sure they're the same. Alrighty. Got these ends finished off smooth. I just used a grinding wheel and then about an 80 grit flat sander. Got them same way at the end of the uprights, basically. So they look finished. leave them clamped in place a little bit, let them cool down so they don't spring back too bad. We'll be back. Alrighty, you can see we got her all clamped together here. The framework, you can see it now. See this, I had to pull it a little bit. You can see my method for pulling it over a little bit to get it straight and square. But we'll do a little welding and tack this thing together now. I think we're ready. Over here where you can see a little bit of it anyway. Probably not the best angles, but anyway, we got her all tacked together here. We'll let it cool down, get it cleaned up, and I think we'll call this the end of part one. We'll get her cleaned up, and then we'll bring you back for part two, where we get the wheels and everything mounted on there, table, and call her done maybe at that point. Anyway, thanks for joining along. I know some of my videos have gotten awful long. I'm trying to shorten them up a little bit. I hope this one isn't too bad, but like I said, thanks for joining along on part 1 here. We'll bring you back for part 2. Give me a thumbs up and comment about it if you will. We'll see you on the next one.